Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Financial Freedom Show. I know it's been quite a while, and I'm definitely excited to get back into this. As you can tell, I've definitely been in and out with this channel, and that's something that I'm not proud of. But I do want to continue to make videos for you guys, and I know that's something that I definitely say a lot, is that I want to come back to this channel and be consistent. And that's kind of something that's my goal for 2024, is to just be consistent with this channel. I am back in Fidelity, as you can tell, which I know I've been all over the place with my investing in the past couple of months, but that's just because I recently bought a house and things have just been crazy. But I am definitely going to try and settle back down into my Fidelity account, and hopefully we'll continue to see this balance go back up to where it was at before I bought a house and paid off my student loans. As you can see, over time, the history of my account is actually in Fidelity right here. You could see the graph over time went up a little bit. I reached a peak of about 60,000 in April this year. And then I slowly started paying off my student loans a chunk at a time. And that brought my balance down quite a bit to around 40,000. And then I kept going like a staircase as I was paying that off. Taking out a little bit at a time to pay it off. Once I actually paid it off, I started to go back up, and then I found a house that I liked and I bought that, and my balance went down to about $500. So my balance has continued to go up over the past couple months, starting in August of this year, and then going into December. I actually have $20,909 in Fidelity. And my goal is by the end of 2024 to get that up to as close as possible to 100,000. I highly doubt that I'll get to 100,000, but even if I hit 50,000, that'll be a good goal to attain. That'll be a more realistic goal, is to hit 50,000 in this account. I do want to get it back past the previous high in the account and just continue to build from there. In this account, I have a mixture of my Roth IRA and my individual account. My Roth IRA has the entire balance in VUG, that's Vanguard Growth Fund, which we'll cover in a video later. And then my individual account actually has its balance in SPLG, which is a S&P 500 index fund, which we will also cover in a later video. So actually, if you go to my positions, you'll see that in my individual account, there's that SPLG, and that is $54 per share right now. Basically, the idea with this index fund is it's a lower expense ratio than VOO or SPY at 0.02% fee. And I currently own about $7,313 in that fund, and I've got a gain of about $90 in the past couple months. And I don't really care what this fund costs. I'm just going to continue to buy over the next couple years and just increase my position. I want to build this position to be the largest I can, because I believe it's going to just continue to compound over time. I'll continue to get the dividend. If I go to the dividend view, you'll see that I currently get $106.74 per year from this fund. In my Roth IRA, you can see that I have VUG, and that's a current share price of $301.05. I own $7,279.38, and that gives me a dividend of $40.27 a year. But you can see, if I go to my positions, you can see that that fund has actually increased by close to 5% for how long I've held it. And that's been a gain of about $343 total. But I've held this fund longer. I just sold out of some of it to buy my house. So if we go into my Roth IRA and look at the history of this account, you can see in 2023, I've contributed $6,500 of my max $6,500 limit. And you can see how the balance of this account started at close to $22,000, and it increased over time. I gained about $4,000 in market gains, and then sold out of the account, and then bought back in once I had purchased my house. And I'm just going to continue to add to this fund and never take out until I retire over the next 50 years or so. So I'm just going to keep adding to this account, continue to dollar cost average into VUG and SPLG, and we'll see where it goes. I'm definitely excited to see where this channel goes. I'm going to continue to post videos every single week, and I'll keep you guys updated starting in 2024 on my portfolio. I'm definitely excited for you guys to come along for the journey. And I know I've said this multiple times. I know I've definitely not been consistent over the past year, but hopefully that'll change in 2024. And I'm excited to see what the future holds. So definitely hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe in order to stay up to date with the latest in my portfolio's changes. And I'll see you guys next time.